Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and in today's video we are going to learn how you can transfer your funds quickly and securely within a few taps by using RMoney Tradion app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So once you open the app, tap on your client ID or the setting button which is located at the bottom right corner. Now select the fund option, and if you want to add funds in your Demat account, tap on add funds, and here you have to enter the amount you wish to add and select the bank account from which you want to transfer the funds. Here you have to choose the payment method. There are three options which are available to transfer your fund. We are going to choose the first option, which is UPI app. Now once you complete the payment process, your funds will be successfully added into your Demat account. And now if you want to withdraw funds, this process is also pretty simple. So simply tap on withdraw option, and now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Select the bank account where you want the fund to be transferred. Always keep in mind that only registered bank accounts will be shown here. Tap on withdraw now, and your withdrawal request will be successfully submitted, and funds will be transferred to your bank account as per the standard payout timelines. Thank you for watching. That's it for today, and if you face any difficulties or have any issues, please comment down below. Until then, happy trading.